Welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to try Prasuma Crunchy Chicken Momos. This pack contains 10 pieces of crunchy chicken momos. It weighs 380 grams. Let's open the contents of the pack. First, take these momos in plate. This pack contains 2 momo sauce packets and 1 seasoning packet. Let's start frying the momos. Now heat oil in a pan and deep fry chicken momos for 5 to 6 minutes. Let's start. Wait for 5 to 6 minutes. Deep fry it on full flame. Cooking completed. Now take it in plate. Crunchy chicken momos are ready. Now serve with sauce. Now if you want seasoning, you can add it also. Crunchy chicken momos are ready. Now serve it. Taste is good. You can try at your home. That's it. Thank you for visiting Trendy Output YouTube channel.